get ready for a dance competition. So we have a wedding to go today as well. Also, don't mind the Roomba in the background. And I'm gonna turn off my fan and put my shade up. So we also have a wedding, and I'm gonna show you when I get ready for that too. This is all my ingredients for the wedding, so that is going on the dance competition. My dance competition, we did super well, like really well. I will tell you later, but we have to get ready for the wedding. We have to leave in like 20 minutes. I took as much as I wake up outfit I could in the car that I'm not wearing, and I changed the kind of what I was wearing, and then I took my dress off, and then we have to leave. So I will see you later. We just got back. It's 1:17 in the morning, and I'm gonna go to bed. So thanks for watching. Good night. And finally going to bed. Good night.